Greetings. My name is Brandon Seymour, and today I will present a strategic proposal outlining how artificial intelligence can optimize the supply chain operations of fresh leaf smoothies. This presentation will examine the current supply chain challenges and demonstrate how AI-driven systems can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and strengthen long-term financial and environmental performance. Fresh Leaf Smoothies operates 20 retail locations across Texas. The company sources seasonal, organic, and highly perishable ingredients from local suppliers. While that model supports sustainability and brand integrity, it also introduces operational volatility. From a sourcing standpoint, ingredient prices fluctuate based on harvest cycles and weather patterns. Supplier viability can impact both quality and cost consistency. In storage, perishable goods require precise environmental control. Even small inefficiencies can quickly lead to spoilage and margin loss. Transportation currently relies on static routing. Routes do not dynamically adjust for traffic conditions or shifting demand patterns. Inventory forecasting is largely manual and spreadsheet driven. This creates two common problems: overstocking, which increases waste, and understocking, which results in lost sales. Collectively, these challenges create cost pressure and operational inefficiencies across the entire supply chain. Because these challenges are interconnected, solving them in isolation would only produce incremental improvements. Supply chain management coordinates sourcing, storage, transportation, and inventory to ensure products move efficiently and reliably. At Fresh Leaf, this process is largely reactive. Forecasting depends on manual estimation and spreadsheet-based tracking, which limits real-time visibility and predictive capabilities. Artificial intelligence changes that model. Instead of reacting to yesterday's data, machine learning systems analyze historical sales patterns, seasonal trends, supplier performance, and operational inputs to forecast demand more accurately. AI also enables smart storage monitoring through IoT sensors and dynamic transportation optimization that adjusts routes based on real-time conditions. This shift moves Fresh Leaf from reactive operations to predictive intelligence and ultimately to optimized performance. And this transformation is measurable. A 2022 multi-store grocery pilot study found a 14.8% reduction in food waste per store, up to 20% improvements in labor efficiencies, and measurable sales increases. This peer-reviewed evidence demonstrates that AI does not simply automate process. It directly improves operational efficiencies and financial performance in perishable good environments. We begin by operationalizing AI sourcing. Predictive machine learning models are deployed and trained on historical purchasing data, weather patterns, seasonal yield variability, supply reliability matrix. Instead of reacting to price spikes or shortages, these models forecast demand more accurately and stabilize procurement decisions. The projected impact is both operationally and financially measurable. We expect an 8 to 12% reduction in procurement cost volatility, along with improved supply reliability and pricing stability. Next, we address storage through smart IoT enabling monitoring. Temperature sensors are installed across storage facilities to provide continuous environmental data. AI-based anomaly detection identifies deviations early before spoilage occurs. automated refrigeration optimization then adjusts cord conditions dynamically, reducing both shrink and energy efficiencies. The projected impact includes 20 to 25% reduction in spoilage and 10 to 15% energy savings. Together, sourcing and storage optimization reduce perishability risks and create more stable, data-driven upstream supply chains. We extend AI optimization into transportation through dynamic routing. An AI routing engine integrates real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and delivery priority levels instead of relying on static routes. The system continuously recalibrates delivery paths through the day. This reduces fuel consumption and improves on-time delivery reliability. Next, we address inventory forecasting. Machine learning models analyze point-of-sale data, historical demand patterns, and seasonality to forecast store-level inventory requirements more accurately. Dynamic reorder triggers then adjust procurement quantities automatically, while store-level dashboards provide real-time visibility into performance. The projected impact is significant, a 20 to 30% reduction in waste, along with a 5 to 8% revenue lift driven by improved product availability and fewer stockouts. Together, transportation and inventory optimization strengthen downstream performance and directly improve financial outcomes. Defining KPIs is only part of the solution. The real advantage of AI is continuous measurement and optimization. Each KPI directly connects to a specific supply chain intervention. The Supplier Reliability Index measures sourcing, consistency, and supplier performance stability. The spoilage rate reflects how effective our IoT-enabled temperature intelligence is preventing waste. The on-time delivery rate evaluates the impact of dynamic transportation optimization. Inventory shrink reduction measures the accuracy of our demand forecasting models. And operating costs per store captures the overall financial impact of the AI strategy. But measurement alone isn't enough. AI systems continuously ingest real-time data from POS systems, IoT sensors, and logistics platforms. When KPI thresholds are exceeded, automated alerts trigger corrective actions immediately, not weeks later in a report. Most importantly, machine learning models refine themselves through feedback loops. Every data cycle improves forecasting precision. This shifts performance management from reactive reporting to proactive optimization. The financial impact of AI implementation is both measurable and strategic. Reduced spoilage lowers shrink and disposal costs. Transportation optimization reduces fuel expenditures, and improved inventory forecasting minimizes stockouts, directly increasing revenue. When products are consistently available, revenue grows, but so does customer satisfaction and long-term brand loyalty. That creates both operational and strategic value. Based on projected performance improvements across sourcing, storage, transportation, and inventory, the estimated ROI window is between 12 and 18 months. But financial return is only part of the equation. From a sustainability standpoint, reduced food waste lowers landfill methane emissions. Optimized routing decreased fuel consumption and carbon output. And improved supplier transparency strengthens environmental accountability across the value chain. However, AI must be implemented responsibly. Supplier and operational data must remain protected. Bias in AI-driven supplier scoring must be actively monitored, and human oversight must remain embedded in key decision processes. Governance is not optional. It is foundational to sustainable AI adoption. With clear governance structures and transparent KPI reporting, leadership and operational teams remain aligned on measurable outcomes. When implemented responsibly, AI becomes more than a cost reduction tool. It becomes both a performance accelerator and a sustainability enabler. Thank you for your time. Artificial intelligence enables Fresh Leaf Smoothies to transition from reactive supply chain management to predictive, optimized operations. By aligning sources, storage, transportation, and inventory through AI-driven systems, Fresh Leaf can reduce waste, improve financial performance, and strengthen stability outcomes. AI is not simply a technology upgrade. It represents a structural shift in how decisions are made, how performance is measured, and how value is created across the organization. With the right governance and measurable KPIs in place, AI becomes a long-term competitive advantage. Thank you.